Let's do different video, record it like this. Okay?
See, but I've been waiting for Casey to come around for like the past year. So I don't really have that much faith in
What's
her
the deal?
come around with something as small as a vehicle.
It's Trooper Blue. You know what I mean? You talking stupid.
Go through what I went through.
It's like this right here is like my little samurai sword. You know what I mean? Good to have on you. It's not a bad weapon. Not a bad weapon at all. You know what I mean? You can do it however which way you want. You can close it, you can open it. You know what I mean? You can close it again. Keep it moving.
At this point,
Cause on the real,
my time to
niggas is on point. Like a bail song, nigga.
let go of this.
Motherfucker.
The other one.
Huh?
The other one.
Which one?
The,
Which one?
you grab it from the thingy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Man. Yo. Nigga, get shit.
What makes me happy is that my best friend wanted to be there for their final.
Babe, it's so cute.